Hey, what's up, guys? So, as you saw, what happened at the field, I basically burned this guy down hitting a racing gate at the track today. So as you can see, everything is burnt down. My Swift burnt, cable completely burned off. Battery strap, what's left of it, not much. So we can just break it off. Maybe not. Battery pad melted. Man, this sucks. All the cable, the solder came off because of the heat. Carbon fiber actually got burned pretty good. You can see it's actually starting to delaminate here. But anyhow, let's open it up and see what's inside. I'm curious to see if we can figure out why this thing caught on fire. The LiPo was actually okay. It did puff a little bit, but I think because something in here shorted out. But from looking at the battery, it actually was still in okay shape. There was no real damage to it other than it being puffed. So let's peel this off. Oh boy, look at that. Whoa. That thing is gone. Huh. Okay, so VTX is done. Run cam is done. And I don't know what's in there. What's left of it. Oh man, that receiver is gone. Look at that thing. Shoot. Oh man. So safe to say I'm gonna have to rebuild the entire thing. Oh look, a capacitor. How did I get there? Oh, this sucks. Okay, let's cut this off. Okay, so I don't know. This might be salvageable. I'm not really sure. Maybe you can clean this up. Okay, so we'll save that. Okay, couple capacitor. Right, guys, as you can see, after I've taken this thing apart, it looks like the damage occurred somewhere on the right side of the board of the flight controller. This is a Lumenier Alpha, all-in-one. Here you got like some kind of chip right here, completely fried. Here, you can kind of peel back the layer. It's kind of cool. Never seen that before. Can you see that? You can see like the different trace, the different layers. And then I think this is like copper. Not sure what that is, but man, this thing is toast. Look at that. Dang, that's really bad. So safe to say this is not gonna be flying anytime soon. Anyway, all right guys, thanks for watching.